I've always been absolutely terrified of the dentist. I mean, I've a real phobia. Had a few bad experiences as a child and growing up. A couple of years ago, the dentist that I was going to said none of my teeth was worth saving. I was suffering badly with abscesses and going to like emergency dentist just to get some antibiotics so I didn't have to have any treatment. And they basically said all my teeth needed to be removed. I was struggling with partial dentures, both top and bottom. Did a little bit of research thinking my only option was to have all my teeth out and implants placed. Came across Moisey and he just seemed so calm on the video that I watched. I liked his ethics of he listened to patients. It wasn't people coming in saying, he would say to them, this is what we're doing and that's it kind of thing. So I plucked up the courage and I thought, well, I'm not going to lose anything, just come and have a visit, have a chat. And he put me right at ease from the very first minute I was sat in the chair. Normally I sit in the chair and just cry. So that was good because I didn't cry. He was really patient, asked me what I was looking for. And I just basically wanted a healthy mouth. I was worried that I was getting so many abscesses. I did discuss with him that I was told none of my teeth were worth saving. He did lots and lots of x-rays and impressions. On the next visit we sat down and discussed how to move forward. He said there was another way without going down the route of all my teeth being removed and implants placed. So we sat and discussed that. Then he said to come for the first visit, we'd do one root canal treatment, see how I coped with it, because obviously at that point I wasn't sure whether I would be able to cope with the treatment. And that went really, really well. I can honestly say he never hurt me at any point. So then he was happy then to go with the plan that we discussed, which meant an awful lot of visits, some very, very long visits. In fact, I can remember quite clearly, I think we had the second or the third visit. I came for some root canal on the bottom teeth and I knew I needed 4. I said, well, we'll do one and we'll see how we go. First one went really, really well, so we moved on to the second one, then the third, and then the fourth. And Moise actually said he can't ever remember doing 4 root canals in one sitting, especially with a patient as nervous as I was. I think I was in the chair nearly 4 hours. And again, he never hurt me once. And I think I like the relaxed atmosphere. His dental nurse, Sophie, he has a great rapport with her. And they were having this banter all the way through, which made me feel really relaxed. I didn't feel judged at any point, even though my teeth were in quite a bad state. I didn't feel like anybody was judging me. Moisey was just there to make it right for me. And I'd happened to mention that my son was getting married in May, so that was it. He was on a mission. I'm going to have you smiling for those photographs, because normally I would do this or just smile without showing my teeth. So he was really on a mission to get me smiling for my son's wedding. And as you can see, he achieved that. And he's such a perfectionist. There was one of the bridges that I had done that he wasn't entirely happy with. It felt okay to me, but he wasn't happy. So he redid that. So yeah, and this is where we are today. From, like I say, literally in such a short space of time, he's cleared me of all my abscesses, and I've had 6 root canal treatments altogether, bridges, crowns. So it's been a lot of work, probably more work for Moisey than me. He even came in on Fridays when it was his day off, so they've just been me, Moisey and Sophie, his lovely assistant. And yeah, he gave up his time to make sure that I could have that smile for my son's wedding. And that meant a lot, an awful lot.